Good morning. Another Thursday of trade to look forward to. And I will take you through all that's happened on Wednesday in US and European markets and how Thursday has started off for Asian markets. US tech stocks helped the Nasdaq clock another record high as the Nasdaq closed 1/3% up after spending Tuesday virtually flat. The US labor data though has disappointed, being softer than expected and has dragged the Dow down around 14 basis points. The Dow is red for now a third day in a row. The S&P 500 though has held out and was up around 3 basis points, largely aided again by technology stocks. Moving to European markets. European markets made a strong start to September. Investors shaking off inflation concerns and expecting a possible stimulus package. The stock 600 index was up around 0.5% after being flat on Monday's trade and down on Tuesday. The DAX though continued its woes and was down around 7 basis points. The FTSE 100 was up a little less than 0.5% after starting the week on Tuesday in the red. Now, the CAC 40 was up around 1.2%, opening the month in the green. Moving to Asia. Asian markets closed up yesterday but have opened a mixed bag today morning. The Nikkei was up around 12 basis points earlier today morning after closing 1.3% up yesterday. The Nikkei has been in the green throughout this week, which is a good sign for Asian markets. The Hang Seng index was up around 0.6% yesterday, and the Shanghai index as well closed around 0.2% up in trade yesterday. Both indices have been in the green throughout this week. Again, a big positive for Asian markets. However, the drag has been the ASX 200, with the Australian index starting today around 0.9% in the red. The Kospi too was down over 0.5% in trade today morning, though the Kospi traded in the green yesterday. The SGX Nifty futures have been absolutely flat and have been trading with a positive bias, up around 5 basis points earlier today morning. Moving on to commodities. Gold has been range bound this week and currently is trading at US dollars 1,818 an ounce. The London Metal Index was down around 1.5%, reversing all of Tuesday's gains. Oil is down around $68 a barrel and Brent is down to around $71 a barrel. Copper was down around 2% and iron ore continues going up around 0.2%. Moving to currency and bonds. Treasury yields were absolutely flat at 1.3%, at the US 10-year Treasury being at 1.3%, and the dollar index too was absolutely flat, trading with a positive bias up around 6 basis points. This comes on the back of disappointing US jobs data. Moving over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was up around 5% in trade earlier today morning and trades at around US dollars 49,000 a mark. That's the roundup of the global markets on Wednesday as well as starting Thursday. A good, interesting day of trade yesterday. Let's see what's in store today on Thursday.